Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for medical school. Notion is an incredibly powerful tool for students, especially with the sheer volume of information you encounter. We'll explore how to transform your study habits by centralizing all your notes, schedules, and resources into one dynamic workspace. You'll learn to customize templates, making Notion perfectly align with your unique learning style and the demands of your curriculum, ultimately boosting your efficiency and understanding. Let's dive into effective note-taking. Notion excels at helping you structure your medical knowledge. You can utilize toggle lists and callout blocks to practice active recall, a proven method for long-term retention. Imagine reviewing key concepts with a simple click. Furthermore, linking related pages creates a robust knowledge network, ensuring all your information is interconnected. You can also embed essential PDFs and videos directly, keeping all your study materials conveniently in one place. Managing your demanding medical school schedule becomes much simpler with Notion. You can implement a master calendar to meticulously track all your lectures, lab sessions, and crucial exams, ensuring you never miss an important date. Leverage Notion's powerful databases for comprehensive task management, allowing you to set clear deadlines and receive timely reminders. Remember to integrate dedicated study blocks and essential breaks into your routine, fostering a balanced and sustainable approach to your rigorous studies. Now, let's explore some advanced Notion techniques to truly elevate your medical school experience. Consider building a personal wiki within Notion for those complex medical topics and intricate concepts, creating an easily searchable and interconnected knowledge base. You can also automate repetitive tasks, like creating new lecture notes, using Notion's clever template buttons. Finally, effortlessly share your meticulously crafted study guides and collaborate seamlessly with your classmates, making group study more efficient and productive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.